video. Don't do that. Don't bring down your whole channel. Just a video. Okay? Oh, yeah. No bakas, no comment, no share, no win. Wait lang, magbubukas lang ako ng... Kayo talaga, pasaway kayo eh. Stop sharing. There. Yeah, I know you need to upload. Upload outside, you know, with when there's snow. Go out and play with the snow. Something like that. Close up. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Are you done with the form? Ay, di ba binaba ko yung form? Did I not bring down the... Yeah, bingo form is there. Are you done? Let me see. Jenna, Elsie, who else? Gretchen, Elisa. Ayan, magbakas kayo ha. Please comment on the link of Juan Carlos. If you don't comment and you win, I'm sorry. Juan Carlos will not give you the prize. Bingo form is there. If you don't comment on his link, he won't send you the prize. Ay, sige po, auntie. Wow, mukhang busy. Nagbabalot ka ba ng regalo, Auntie Madel? Ay.
Let's play bingo.
Yeah, let's play bingo. Hey, John, did you just get off work? Are you going to sleep now, John? You want to play bingo? I'll teach you. Dan, okay. Yan. Mag-form muna kayo ha, mag-form. Hello, Extreme Cook. Mega love shoutout, Extreme Cook. Thank you so much, Extreme Cook. Pubulaan ko. Ayaw nyo magtawag, no? Ayaw nyo ng dagdag kalaban. Lista na kita dito. Rachel. Ay, nalista kita. Nalista, Rachel. Done na? Okay, I will go to your link, Extreme Cook. Okay. What is this? Tamate kakut. Oh, these are eggs and tomatoes. Okay. I will watch. Okay, Extreme Cook. I will finish watching your video. Ah, you made it into like a juice. Is this like tomato sauce? Uy, Ate Feli, andyan ka pala. Dan form agad-agad. Hindi ko pa nakita. Hindi pa ako nag-check, Glory Jane. Guys, pakibakasan yung nakapin ha. Glory Jane, 1 to 7. Okay na? Wala na? Ito lang kayo? Kahit 25 pesos pinapatos nyo eh, no? Hindi lang. Ay. Alis ka. Okay, Sis Trisha, ingat. Share mo muna yung live. Tapos magpakas ka dun sa nakapin, Ronald. Kahit 25 pesos talaga. Basta bingo. Extreme Cook, so many chili on your recipe. What are those little things? Are they rice? They look like worms. Is it rice? Oh, you put so many oil and chili. Ala, nasa form kung ilang numbers. Nakalagay sa form kung ilang numbers. Yes, Gretchen. 21 to 27 number mo. Wow, 7 months na member si Ate Feli. Ayan, done na ba? Ronald, tapos ka na? Hindi ko pa nakita ang pangalan mo dito sa form. Nung naglalaro lang ako ng games, ang daming viewers. Ngayon magpapabinggo ako, naging 5 na lang. Ba't ganun? Marami akong viewers kanina eh. Okay na. Close ko na yung form ha. Kompleto na kayo dito. Jenna, Elsie, Gretchen, Elisa, Glory Jane, Krishna, Feli, Ronald. Okay. Close ko na yung form. Kanina 11 ang viewers ko nung naglalaro lang ako nung game. Tapos ngayong bingo na. 3 na nga lang kayo eh. 3, 4. Oh my God. Ayoko na magpa-bingo. Okay.
G. 55. B. 4. O. 73.
Maki ba?
N 35, N 36,
Ba't talaga to sa Ate Feli, niloloko ako. Nauna yung bingo form bago sa Tamsak and Share
I
Dan.
27,
Hindi yan kaya ang magic word ko. Ang magic word ko kaya pangalan ng pusa ko.
I 17,
Hi, Sis Arlene. Glenda, regular shoutout.
B 12,
Sige, sa second round, paano muna ako, pabakas muna ako sa nakapin.
I 19,
Hey, John, are you still there? You don't want to play bingo? Ayan na, sinabi na ni Tita
72.
Elsie yung magic word.
N 37, I 18,
Kailangan ko mag-highlights.
N 34, G 51,
Diba? Kailangan ko rin i-edit kasi nakalagay fruit merge. Tapos may
G
bingo.
59,